Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to open a RAM 2500 key fob. First, make sure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery ready. Look for a small slot on the side of your key fob casing. Carefully insert the tip of your screwdriver into this slot. This initial step is crucial for a smooth opening process without causing any damage. Once the screwdriver is in the slot, gently twist it to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. You should hear a slight click as they begin to separate. Be careful not to use too much force, as the internal components are delicate. Slowly work your way around the seam until the two sections come completely apart, revealing the battery and circuit board. Now that the key fob is open, observe how the old CR2032 battery is positioned. It's important to remember this orientation for the new battery. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery from its compartment. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. To reassemble, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear them click and snap securely into place. Make sure there are no gaps around the edges. Test your key fob to ensure all functions are working correctly. If you need a new water bottle, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.